English, Grade 4, Block 6, Feelings and Motivations by Teacher Shikha. Student will be able to identify how characters, feelings and motivations change with the events. The keywords over here are character, feelings, events, motivation. Children, Grade 4 children, have you read the story? Why did Amu and Anup dislike the car? Why didn't their father want to sell the car? How did Amu and Anup plan to get rid of the car? Who helped them with the plan? Now, we have already read the story. We have focused on how feelings change with the events in the story. We will also try to figure out their motivations or why they do certain things by thinking and reading and visualizing what had happened in the story. How did Amu and Anup's feelings change in the story? What events changed their feelings? The story begins with Amu and Anup being embarrassed about their car and ends with them feeling that the car is truly magical. They feel guilty in the middle of the story because they think their magic caused their father's accident. What are some reasons that characters' feelings and motivations might change in a story? Children, characters' feelings can change in a story because of the events that take place. For example, when a character meets with an accident, when a new character is introduced, when someone seen as bad does something nice, or when a character is forced to do something he does not like. This may also change their motivations for doing things. For example, Amu and Anu originally wanted to get rid of the car. This was their motivation for burying the bone and saying the magic words. After the accident, their motivation changed. They wanted to remove the spell to ensure that their father was safe. Now, children, tell how do character, feelings and beliefs make the ending of the story humorous and funny? The ending of the story is humorous because the characters still believe in magic, even though it was really their dog, Laddu. The dog Laddu who had moved the bone. We as readers know the truth, but Amu and Anup do not. Okay, children? Now let's quickly solve the practice questions. Children, also do reading of glossary, meanings and making sentences of these important words. Don't miss this. Underline the adjectives in the sentences. Children, I am going to read the answers. The happy, underlined is happy. Audience applauded for the various artists who performed at the show. The country was peaceful and prosperous before the war. The minister thanked his truthful assistants for helping him find The minister thanks his truthful assistants for helping him find the thieves. The beautiful princess rewarded the generous woman with a few gold coins. Children, are you focusing on adjectives? The describing words. Make sentences with the following adjectives. I am reading the answer of these adjectives. Watchful, fabulous, cautious, useful, joyous, enormous, unsuccessful, numerous, generous. All adjectives. Manisha kept a watchful eye on the clock. The internet is a useful way to find information. Seema's last novel was unsuccessful in the market. She wrote a fabulous story about her family. The joyous crowd awaited the countdown to midnight on New Year's Eve. There were numerous cars parked on the street. Any cautious tourist will guard her passport. An enormous rock came rolling down the hill towards the road. The generous goose gave the woman a golden feather. How did Amu and Anup feel about their father and the car before and after the magic spell was said aloud? Before the spell was said aloud, Amu and Anup were angry with their father. They both wanted him to sell the old car and buy a cool new car. Later, they were worried for their father's health when he met with an accident and were ashamed of what they had done. Question 4. Why do you think Amu wanted to ask Jennifer about magic? How did she feel about the car? Amu was tired of asking her father to sell the car, so she asked Jennifer to help her with magic to change her father's mind about the car. Amu did not like the car because it was old and did not look cool like the new cars. Were there cars in Egypt? How do you think Jennifer? Were there cars in Egypt? How do you think Jennifer felt when Anup asked her this question? Why did she feel that way? Now the answer will be different, children. It will vary. For example, Jennifer may have been irritated and angry with Anup for asking her this question. She may have felt that way because she got the feeling that Anup did not believe her. Question 6. Use the key details from worksheet S4 to create a story map for the story The Magic Spell. Setting: the story happened in Amu and Anup's house. Characters: the characters are Anu, Amu and Anup's father, mother, Jennifer and Laddu. At the beginning of the story, both Amu and Anup were angry with their father because he does not want to sell the car. Amu decides to ask Jennifer for help because She read many books and knew about magic. Ammu believed that magic could help her solve the problem. Next column. In the middle of the story, Ammu and Anup got up at midnight and buried a bone outside the garage. In the morning, the car refused to start, so they were sent to school in an auto rickshaw. Later in the day, Ammu and Anup were sent back from school because their father had met with an accident. This made them both feel terrible, as they thought it was because of the magic spell. When they reached the hospital, they felt better. When they saw their father eating an apple and watching TV. Next column. At the end of the story, Jennifer told Ammu that she played the fool with them. This made Ammu angry. She ran to the garage and started digging to find the bone, but they did not find the bone and thought that their father's old car was a magic car. Question 7, again answer will vary. What if Ammu disappeared after she said the magic words? How would the story have changed in the middle? Answers will be different. For example, if Ammu had disappeared after saying the magic words, Anup would have cried and run to his parents to tell them what had happened. Then they would all have gone to Jennifer's house to ask her for a spell that would bring Ammu back. Jennifer would have confessed that she was only playing the fool and that she did not know that something could really happen. Anup's parents would have been angry, but would have realized there was no use wasting time. They would have left Anup with Jennifer while they went to find out what else could be done to get Ammu back. The story would not be realistic fiction story anymore if magic really happened in it. Children, we are done with the practice question. Now there is also a project work. Please go through this. In next video, we are going to solve workbook S1, S2, S3, S4. Till then, write down these answers. Focus on adjectives and also glossaries, the meanings and making sentences. Take care of yourself, children. Thank you. Bye-bye.